Ya, mengingat hujan, kita langsung saja moving on ke peserta selanjutnya. Dia akan membawakan lagu mancanegara yang dibawakan oleh Demi Lovato dengan Stone Cold. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Tia Bella Waluko. Pendukungnya Tia mana Tia? Tuhan nih.
But I'm trying on to stop cold. Maybe if I won't cry, I won't feel any stone cold, baby. God knows I've tried to feel happy for you. Now there I am, even if I can't understand. I take the pain, give me the truth. Me and my heart will make it true. If happy is I'm happy for you. Stone cold, you're dancing with her while I'm staring at my stone cold. I was your ember, but now she's your set of gold. Stone cold, baby. Knows I try to feel happy for you. Now that I am, even if I can't understand, I take the pain, give me the truth. Me and my heart will make it true. If love is I'm happy for you. I don't wanna be stone cold, I wish I could need it, but here's my goodbye. Go! Happy for you. Know that I am, even if I can't understand. I'm happy for El Prado.
Tia Bella ya. Gila ya, standing applause dari Pak Kamil dan Kadif luar biasa ya. Penyanyi aslinya Demi Lovato terkenal memiliki karakter suara yang full power dan tinggi. Tia bisa ya mengimbanginya, luar biasa ya. Dari judges kurang dapat begini, Gio dan Stevie dapat tako. Ah? Oh sedap.